how to download videos from Rumble. The first things first is open up or access your web browser that you want to use and then head directly to rumble.com. And here you do not need to log in, you can just definitely open or access Rumble as a guest. Now the next thing you do is just to choose any videos that you would like to be downloaded. For example, this one. All you have to do is to click the current video that you would like to download, play the video for like maybe 3 to 4 seconds, and what you want to do next is just to press or click any of the spaces from your screen and then go to inspect. Now from inspect, you'll have to look for the SRC file, which is actually an extension that will end as .mp4. So say for example, you're able to see it and this is going to be the one. So it has to be .mp4 at the very end. In my case right here, it is saying .js on the very end. But if it's going to be showing .mp4 on your end, you'll have to copy the whole link right here under the SRC extension, create a new tab, and then paste it here. Once you paste it there, it will look like that video is coming from, for example, a Google Drive. Then all you have to do next is just by clicking on the three dots from that video and just go directly to download. So that's it. That's how you download videos and Rumble.